Good morning and have a wonderful day, guys. I hope you're all doing well and everything is going on your way. So, guys, it's 23rd January and I came here in early morning. It's early morning, and so, guys, temperature is not much, just cool, guys, not much less, I mean. And I am just in a park. So guys, there are 4 and 5%. They are just also they are doing exercise and some just running. I just committed as a first Jan. I'll have to record video just after 31st Jan, guys. So I'm just heading towards my commitment. So 8 days are left for to just complete this commitment, guys. So today, guys, I'm gonna just get off my chest with you all, and I'll share my just journey when I came in Delhi, and just what did I learn and what kind of things I'm learning and what will I do upcoming time. So purpose of telling my own journey, guys, only to just push my own self, and as well as you can also just have lesson if you want to just do something in your life. And absolutely, yeah, everyone wants to do something in his and in her life. So first of all, guys, I would like to tell you my journey starts from my village. I am from Bihar. My native place is Bihar, guys, in Darbhanga district, and my block is Birol, and my village Pokhram. It's called like big village, guys, in my district, and population of my village exactly I don't know, but it came to me like more than 40,000. So you can say it's a really big. It's one of the big villages in my district. And if I talk about facility, so guys, not just like much facility as every, yeah, we can say in Bihar, every just district and every village condition are same, not so different. And but in my village, guys, there are two panchayat, yeah, and there are also two just it's called like Mukhyana. So I just started studying there, and I just studied up to, I completed my primary education there, and then, guys, I had a penchant to just go Delhi, and not for education purpose, only for just like exploring the place. Just rumor was just that for me, like if I'll just go Delhi, then there will be big building and some different. I had image, guys, in my mind. I had image, and often I just came with my mom, but not for a long time, only for 3 months, 5 months, likewise. And so just I had a penchant, and then we decided. Then I decided I wanna go, but there was no just way to just came in Delhi. Actually, my mom just say lived in village. Only my just entire family lived in village, except my dad. Just my dad lived in Delhi, just for a livelihood and for just putting bread on table. Then I decided, but it doesn't matter whether I decide or not. When I was in the 7th class, so on that time I was only, guys, 12 year old. So, but guys, I always just got into like under the weather. This I had many diseases I was suffering from, like asthma and many relative, but just like breath problem. Then I decided I have to just go once again, but just being a 12 and 11 and 12 years child, how can I decide? Then my parents decided just he has to send in Delhi, and he has to send in Delhi, and then his ahead just treatment will be in Delhi. And but guys, question was there, who will just go with me hospital and somewhere else regarding my treatment? Actually, my dad, he either he will work or just he will go with me. Then, but by somehow just I came in Delhi. Actually, my mom and my just I mean, there was not there was there is also right now one uncle and aunt. They live in Delhi but different area. But we have just good bonding. Then my mom just has talk as a telephonic conversation, and then my parents decided, and I came in Delhi. And guys, I spent approximately 1 month just at there. I mean my auntie's location for treatment purpose. And having treated, then I just overcame from all those diseases. And then guys, then I decided my just mom decided. Actually, my mom was in a village. My mom decided you have to just study in Delhi, and just for a better quality you will get. But when I came here, so I was fed up with just Delhi's life. I have to just spend my whole day in one room, and just you can't go outside. Yeah, you can go, but there was no anyone. Just I can talk with them. I can talk just him or her. So that's why I decided I don't wanna just stay here. And so it was not easy for me. And guys, even just there was also my maternal uncle just who resides with me. Yeah, and he always helped me. And he, guys, I would like to just thank, and I will be thankful for him always. He taught me how to just cook the food, and all things he taught me, how to live and how to just basic things just he taught me, and I'll be just thankful my entire life for him. And then just I got admission, and then I got admission, and then I got my name enrolled in a government school. And there is also one boy, just you can see, guys. And what's your name? Yeah, bol bhai. What's your name?
Gautam.
My name is Gautam.
My name is Gautam.
Okay, Gautam. So Gautam, where do you live? कहाँ रहते हो आप?
दिल्ली में.
Yeah, I live in Delhi.
I live in Delhi.
Okay. Which class do you study in?
I live in class 7th.
Oh yeah. So guys, Gautam I met, and actually when I was recording a video, I mean just I'm recording video, so he was just observing me that's why just I interact with him na. Either he will feel like he will just monitoring different. Then just I got my name enrolled in government school. I decided, but I'll just thankful for some teachers. They helped me just to got admission there, and then just I got, and then guys I started, and I knew how to just cook the food and everything. So just time just passed away, and it was fascinating for me to just go, just wake up early morning, and not early but not even late, like 6 and 7 o'clock in between, and then just go to your institute to take classes. Only time just I took classes only just at my location. I just didn't go outside. And where I reside, guys, 4 and 5 years. I mean 8 to 12. So all just my building was full of my villagers. Yeah, in every floor, in every room. Just my villagers, they were there. And so I was also good at, I was familiar with them, like to communicate in my language, yeah, and my culture, rituals, those all things. So I'll just be also thankful for them. Always, yeah, my entire life, I just learn many things from them. And guys, in ninth class, when I just went in school, so I was unable to get to know their language. Yeah. So guys, actually in my school, most of teacher they belonged to like Haryana and other district. So only one and two teacher were there. They were from Bihar. So it was just below the waist for me. And once I was also beaten by teacher. Like he wrote something on board. First of all, he just made out it, and then he just asked question. But I didn't just get to know like what kind of thing. Just he just taught me and what kind of things he just made out. And then I asked, and then even I had a fear, I had a phobia. Just if I ask, then he will beat me. But it was a wrong image in my mind. It was wrong. It was assumption, guys. And then he asked me, yeah, last just so what did I teach you? I mean, what's he wrote? He asked one question, but I was unable to understand his Haryani language. And then I was beaten. I was beaten by him, and then I decided, no, I have to just I have to just spend time with this language. I have to be familiar. Either just it will be tough for me now. And when I got admission, so exam was also around the corner. Only a few days were left. So just I put my effort, and then I just became familiar with them. And ninth class, I had also phobia from one subject only, maths, and I had a confidence to just I'll clear all subject. But math, I had a phobia. And guys, it's not tough. Actually, I didn't have a good foundation. If we don't have foundation, then just we get fear. And so I just worked on my foundation, and then just it was easy for me, not tough. And it became easy. And guys, in 8th class, yeah, I'll just come back once more. So just my parents, my mom and dad. My dad even just my dad went to village, and my mom. So I was alone at my home. Why? Actually, I had to just get to enroll myself. I mean, just got admission in school. So that's why I didn't just go to my village. And guys, I got admission, and on 10 May, guys, in May I just government announced holiday just for 15 days, 50 days, sir, 50 days. And then but I was unable to find someone just who just wanted to go to village, and I was alone. And then I just asked from many person, hey, just are you going to village, but I didn't get person. And then I just called my mom, call up my mom, just mom, just I want to just come back, I want to just come there, I want to just spend time with in my garden, and just I want to enjoy summer in village, my summer vacation. But my mom and dad, they didn't allow me. Yes, sure, definitely now. Just being a parent, how they will allow me? They actually alone. Just I was only 13-year old. How can they let me just travel alone by train? Even there was on that time in 2000. It's a matter of 2016. Yeah. So on that time there was no any bus facility. Just by bus you can't go. So we had only one option. By train, just you can go. So then I was in a hot water, like twitchy na. Just no, I wanna go. Just and you can say, guys, I was like a stubborn boy, I decided whatever I decided, I just did by hook or by crook. So I did, and next, I decided, okay, I'll just lie my mom. I mean, just I will not reveal my mom. I'm just traveling alone, and I just said to my mom, and my daddy just, I am coming village with one person and who resides nearest our village, and then my mom and parents, they allow me. But guys, reality was different. I was alone, and I just took my school bag, and I put some clothes to spend 50 days in my village, and then I hit the road, and I just but on that time I had only just image, guys, knowledge. I had only two images: metro station, railway station, and platform number 16. Sorry, platform number 14, guys. Yeah, and only one train. They had some Parkranti. I knew, and then I decided I'll go alone. I was like adventurous boy. Yeah, adventurous child you can call. And then I decided. I got at metro station, I mean just Adarsh Nagar, and then I just bought ticket. On a time, cost of ticket was only 16 rupees, and then I decided, I'll pay, and I had a one keypad phone, so I charge my phone. But guys, that phone I just bought at cost of 400 rupees. Yeah. It was my first time. Just I bought, not by just my own money. It was given by my daddy, and then I decided, okay, just I have a one phone. Then I'll talk to my parents, just in train. But guys, what happened when I just got it railway station? On that time, I was in adult or. Wished, like I didn't have just any confirmed ticket, and I was alone, and by somehow just I got it platform number 14, and train time I just knew it will dispatcher, I mean boarding time was 2 o'clock, and I went there, and but only I knew, guys, I had to just travel by like general, I mean just bogie. General coach, yeah, you can say general coach, and then I just got, when I was standing before just general coach, then my heart skipped a beat. Oh, actually huge rush and horde of people were there, and I was in adult, just how I. Okay, so then I was standing just before the general coach gate, guys, and I was unable to just muster up courage to just enter that coach. Okay, and but by somehow just I muster up courage, and I went. But guys, I can't just express what happened inside the just general coach, guys. Even there was not place to just take a step, guys. I was unable to just take single step, there was not, guys, place to just now put even your step, even your shoes, guys. And but I was adventurous, and I had guys one eagerness. No, I have to go to village. Even I can go there only by standing, guys. Just what you can say. It was like I just courage. I mean, I had just one like burning desire towards my village, and I went there. So, but guys, when train started, I mean, just towards destination Darbhanga. So in between, I just got like I have to just pee. I mean, for toilet. By somehow just I went, but guys, you can't think inside the toilet. there were 5 persons sitting each on each another, and my heart skipped out for them. Oh God, what's a life, yaar? Just but still, it was adventurous, and I went. But I can't be there. I mean, pie there. So so there was one just young man, and he just perceived. I mean, he got to know my current situation, and then he just said to me, okay. He just said to everyone, hey, please give him some, give him place to just get at the gate. Why? Then I asked, no, I don't wanna just get at the gate. Well, then he said, told me, no, actually, you have to just get at gate, and when you will just get at the gate, and then you can just like put off your pant. I mean, and then you start like pee. I mean, just you can urine there. Oh, but it was also fascinating, and I was bound to go there. I was bound to just get at the gate, and I went there. And then, guys, I just put off my, I hope you got it, and I started. Oh, then, guys, I felt light-hearted, and like just it was chill for me. Actually, train boarded 2 o'clock evening. I mean afternoon, and I just did, guys, even night, just 12 o'clock. So literally up to 10 minutes I did, and having urine, I just got just like it's heaven just now. And everyone was laughing on me, guys. Oh, just now you are having like a real life test, but I didn't care about someone. I was child, so why should I have care about like someone is just like having look or not? No, I was quiet, but one day time I forgot everything. No, I have to just go to village. I have to just spend time in my garden. I have to just spend time with my family. Yeah, actually, in Delhi, just in my room, at my location, I felt like I'm in prison. I mean, I'm in a jail. So yeah, just and next, guys, it's gonna be so fascinating, and it's time to just like a ticket, and I didn't have ticket, guys. Actually, as I told you, just starting video, I had only 2 images in my mind. Like first, Adarsh Nagar metro station, and second platform, I mean New Delhi railway station, platform number 14. And except those, guys, I didn't know anything. I didn't know something like from where I can just buy ticket. Actually, I hadn't travel alone. Whenever I travel, just with my mom or daddy and just uncle and someone else, not alone. So it was fascinating journey for me, and without ticket I just entered. And guys, when TT came, and then I just became like chicken hearted. Oh, what if he asked ticket from me, so then what will I say? And guys, I try to just like hide myself under the seat, guys, but general I was unable to hide. But by somehow just I turn my face on towards the gate, guys. I mean towards window. Yeah, I turn my face towards a window, and then one person just asked to me, hey, do you have ticket? No, he was passenger, and who was sitting next to me, he was in the same situation. He was in the same just corner, like tight corner. And then I said to him, then I told him, yeah, I have ticket. How dare you to ask ticket from me? And then he said, no, yaar, Chotu, No, Chotu. Actually, I only asked you just TT is about to come here, so that's when I just like just take your ticket out, and then I just told him, no, I have ticket, but I can't show him. Then he say, why? And where is your mom and daddy? Then he started asking question. Where is your mom and daddy? Then I told him, yeah. You don't think so? Can I travel alone? My mom and daddy, they are next coach. They are next coach. And then say, okay. So how did you just come in this coach? I have. Actually, where on the time train was about to just dispatcher. That's why I just by somehow I came in a general coach. Then he told me, oh yeah, it's okay. If I guys on that time I told him I'm alone, definitely he could call the police, and then I was apprehended, and then police not apprehended. It was not legal. Illegal, and but still police just caught me, and then he called up my parents, and if it came to my parents, definitely they hacked me virtually, guys. Then I by somehow just I like made him understand, and TT came, and then guys TT passed away through my just through just nearby me, and but he didn't ask. Then guys I tried to just call up my mom and daddy. I'm just about to just got at I am about to deboarding at my district Darbhanga, but guys I didn't have I mean just my battery was died, and then I tried to just on my phone, but my phone was switched off, and then I just felt, yeah, maybe my parents, they were thinking about me, definitely. And I got at railway station, just got down Darbhanga, and then I had one image. Then I tried to just how I'll just go to my village, and how I'll just take bus. And guys, just I went out from platform, and then I asked just regarding bus, but guys I didn't get answer from someone. They perceive me as a child. They didn't tell me. Then they told me, yeah, where is your parents? But I didn't want to tell them about my parents, and I just so there were many just auto rickshaw, and I went there, and they were just like just there was written, guys, like Leheria Sarai and this all place. So I had traveled many times with my parents, Leheria Sarai and those places, to just get bus, and then I just got there. I'm in the nearby auto rickshaw, and then I just took, and he dropped me the Leheria bus stop, and I just took the bus. And guys, I went there. I just got my village, and when I just got there, just everyone had skipped a beat. Where is he? Just he went with you, but I just peel my beans off. Yeah, I just came alone. They're my parents. 1 and 2 hours. Just this didn't speak something. But by somehow just I convey them. Mom and daddy just I was bound to. But guys, it was adventurous journey, and I haven't forgotten it, guys, yet. And it was courageous for me, lasting memory for me. Whenever I lost hope, so I recall when I was 13. So I traveled 13 kilometers alone. Yeah, I am that person. I have courage and I'll do whatever I want to do, guys. So it's all about my train journey in 9th and 10th, and guys, in 10th class also just I came. But if I narrate na, then it will take a long time. So I'll try, but it was courageous. So guys, everyone has that capability, but parents, they don't let us fly the nest. Yeah, actually they care about us, but sometime now, whenever they're caring and they're caring now, we just, they provide like helicopter security, but not let them do whatever do you want to do. It's beauty of my parents. They let me do whatever I want to do, and I did, and I'm doing, and I'll do. So guys, it's time to rest my words, and it has been more than 30 minutes. Just I wanted to just talk with you all many things, but lack of time, I can't speak. Actually, I have left 10 and 15 minutes, so I'll do meditation, and then I'll just come back my home. Thank you. It's time to say bye bye, and so just take care of yourself and keep on have a smiling on your face. Okay, see you later tomorrow.